Hello everyone and welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I'm going to try to be extra loud and proud today. I do not know what's going on with my phone, but every time I plug the microphone in, I'm sure you guys have probably watched the other one of these where it just sounded awful. Once again, my apologies. Technology is out of my control, so that's what it is. Yeah, so I'll just try to be loud. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay. So today is the, 5th day of our family surprise blanket. Today is the 6th of August. I missed a day, and I apologize. So, already behind, yay. So, that's alright though. We have time. It's fine. It's not a big deal if we, are a day or two past August. I didn't want us to be, but it's okay. Alright, so today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, however, and since I didn't do a video Thursday, I'm going to pick our fun family dinner. Also, so today, my friends, we get to pick out of all 3 bags. If, however, you are new and you have no clue what I'm talking about or what's going on, let me just get that out of the way. Hello, how are you? Okay, so, what is going on is my family and myself are making a surprise family blanket together. Also, very quickly, I would like to just jump in real quick. Side note, squirrel. Okay, my friend Neva and her husband LJ are also doing a surprise blanket. She's doing Vlogust, so they're just kind of like in the middle of her Vlogust videos, but I'm all excited. So you guys go check her out because she's doing this with me, and so yay. Okay, I'm very excited. Hers is Halloween colors, all about it. Just saying, okay? So, what we are doing here is I picked 31 because my plan was to finish this in August. Ha ha ha. See, we make plans. God thinks they're hilarious, right? So that's what happened this time also. So my plan was 31 days in August. No more, my friends. We are now going into September, but that's all right. So we have 31 fun family activities. We each picked 5 colors of yarn. And the dogs each picked a color. We have 2 puppies. They each picked, or I say puppies. One's like 7 months and one just turned 3. So anyway, but yeah, our dogs each picked a color, which is hilarious. And then, like I said, on Sundays and Thursdays, we will have fun family dinners. Since we didn't do yesterday, we will do that today, and then we will just have family dinners that close together. It's okay. So, our last video that I did was the family photo shoot. We still haven't really done that because my husband works late. That was a weeknight, and my husband works late, but since it's Friday, I'm hoping he'll either come home early today or maybe tomorrow he can work just like part of a day, because I have some really fun spots around here that I've mentioned for family photos. Like our creek and things like that. I think they would be really pretty down there at that creek. My goodness. So we have plans, but it's dark usually whenever he gets home, so we haven't got to do that yet, which I'm really bummed, but we're going to because we need family photos. My grandma at her house has this picture and has everybody's, like all of her grandkids and their families, and my aunt updated it. And it's been probably almost a year now since she's updated it. Everyone else's family photos are updated. Mine, B, aka the baby girl, she was like 4 maybe, and that she will be a teenager this year. I think it's time to get a new family photo. So we're doing that. That's happening. Just want to have good lighting when we do so, which I feel like makes sense, like this whole time and then take a horrible photo. So we're going to do that though. That is happening. I'll tell you when we do it. I probably won't share photos. There's a photo of Derek and I may share it with you guys, but otherwise, you know the deal. So, okay. So the color that we chose, well, we didn't choose. Jack, the older dog, I'll use the dog's real names. How's that? Jack, our older dog, he chose. And he chose this Heartland Tweed, Mount Rainier Heartland Tweed. So this is our blanket, and I agree with my friend that it frames it in perfectly. I love it. I have been reading your comments. I apologize that I haven't been commenting back. From the bottom, like right here of my heart, I apologize for not commenting back. I've just felt blah. I've been reading them. Sometimes it's a lot. I know that sounds silly that it's a lot to comment back, but I have trouble texting and talking to people sometimes too. So my friends on here that I text understand that, me saying, or well, maybe don't understand that, but get what I'm saying, like whenever they text me, and it'll be like a day or so, and I'm like, hey, so I'm sorry to y'all too, but I love you guys. Okay, so anyway, so I apologize for not getting back to your comments. I promise I read them. I appreciate each and every one of them. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is it with the Matt Rainier tweed. The heart in the middle is a tutorial here on YouTube by Ophelia, or by, her name's not Ophelia, but Ophelia Talks. And I will link it below. It's just, I will link that below. It's just to make the square, and then in a different video she shows you how to make it into a rectangle, so I'll link that video below, and also my dear darling friend Miss Neva, so you guys can go check out her videos. So this is where we are. I love it already, just like the other one. It's already like, this is a memory, and this is a memory, and this is a memory. This we haven't done yet, but it's gonna be a memory, and that'll be fun. So, okay. So let's get on with it. Pick the colors. What do you say? Let's start with Fun Family Dinner, just because. See what they're gonna eat. I wonder if it's as loud on here. The bags are as loud now they don't have the microphone. Okay. Let's put that back. Fun Family Dinner. Oh no, I grabbed two. I'm gonna do the one that I opened. Oh, cool. When I opened this breakfast buffet, everyone will be very excited. Breakfast buffet. So then like pancakes, biscuits, and gravy. Maybe we call them dadlets because I don't make omelets. Derek makes omelets, and so they're called, his are called dadlets because they're actually like an omelet. I like scramble everything together like my mom showed me how, so that's how I make mine. They're called momlets around here because it's not quite an omelet, it's just how I do things. So they're dadlets and momlets, and they decide which kind they like. So, but that's awesome because my daughter told me the other day she was ready for a Mickey Mouse pancake. My grandma used to make us Mickey Mouse pancakes when we stayed there, and so I make my kids Mickey Mouse pancakes with little chocolate chip faces and stuff. And so she was telling me the other day that she was ready for a Mickey Mouse, so I'm very excited. We'll have that, and you know, all of the breakfast goodies. I'll let you guys know what all they have, I suppose. But that's always a fun one because we get our little grill things out and set it on the bar, and so like we can kind of sit around and talk and hang out and have like, as we cook and have breakfast buffet. That one's always fun. We do that same thing with hibachi, which may or may not be on our list. Fun. Okay. So for our, what am I doing? Yarn color. Our yarn color is by my husband. It is Varsity Orange. Big Twist Varsity Orange. There's a lot of orange in this blanket right off the bat, y'all. Dang. Okay. Varsity Orange, which is this one. Hey, go Pokes. Just saying. Right, look at that. Orange and black. I'm all about it. Go Pokes. Yep. My husband's gonna love it. My Center fan husband is going to love this blanket. Oh, it's so good. Okay. If you don't know Pokes, it's Oklahoma State University. Sorry, for those of you who didn't know. Okay, fun. So that is our color. Set that right there so I can leave it out. I'll put this back in. I don't know why I didn't do that. I almost didn't do that the other day. Because we will still continue to use the yarn colors. That's what's going to make it scrappy and fun, right? Maybe it'll be the same one. Like alternating days. Who knows? It'll be exciting. Okay. Fun family activity. Grab two again. There we go. I'm going to... Ooh, cool. All right. Have a Vine marathon. Digs it. So, before TikTok, there was Vine. They were actually funny. Every now and then you find a funny TikTok for the most part. Okay. Vines, however, were funny. That was like the whole thing. Like 6-second little clips that are just a really good time. So we're going to get on the YouTubes. Hello, YouTube land. We're going to get on the YouTubes and have a Vine marathon. That'll be fun with our breakfast buffet. That's perfect. Something we don't have to go anywhere. So that'll be good. We can just hang out here and do that, and yay. And like I said, maybe if he comes home early-ish this evening, which I kind of doubt because we're pretty swamped over there. I wish I felt better because I could go and help him. I hate that. It makes me very sad that I'm not able to go help him. So I'm trying really hard to make myself better so I can. That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, anyway, so maybe, so today's Friday. Today's a very special day. Today's August 6th. It's a very, very special day. But, so if not today, perhaps tomorrow, we will go and take family photos. I'm not sure. But we are doing that because my grandma needs a new family photo that isn't of us from like, what, 10 years ago. So yeah, we've grown a little bit since then, so, you know, mercy. Okay, so yep. All right, so that's our plan for the evening. Breakfast buffet. This here orange, this is going, perhaps ours is also Halloween colored. I'm kind of starting to wonder. Anyway, I like it though. I'm all about it being orange. Don't mind the pokes or Halloween. And also, what? Oh, Vine Marathon. Yes, so it'll be a good night. I am excited. Olive is laying on my toes currently, so she's excited too. That means she gets bacon. She's pretty sure that's what that means, I think. So, all right. Thank you guys so very much for watching and for hanging out and for staying with these. I appreciate it. I lost one subscriber over the one that was like wonky sounding. Once again, I couldn't help it. So I hope this one's loud because I used to get complaints about me not being loud enough. So, I mean, you know, you win some, you lose some. Am I right? All right. So I hope you guys have a wonderfully blessed day. Please stay safe, and I will talk to you guys soon.